Alright, this is our compound machine. We call it the lifter upper. Our firm name is Engineers R Us, and our final cost was $1.29 million. Our client was Movers and Doers. They're building and stocking factories, so that's what we're doing. And the problem was that like heavy objects need to be lifted onto shelves, so we're making machinery that is capable of doing that and making the process a lot easier. Where our machine uses pulleys, gears, wheels, and axles to create a compound machine with a higher mechanical advantage. Our constraints were a 2-week period, and that the force had to be provided by a single human input. It had to lift a 1 kilogram mass at least 12 inches, and it had to include 3 different mechanisms. The weight had to be lifted in less than 30 seconds, and it had to have a minimum AMA of 3, and it had to be under $3 million. And we had to measure the input force.
So this was our decision matrix. We had 4 different designs. You'll see them on the next page. We sketched them all out, and we ultimately decided on trying that one. That one didn't work, and then we switched over to design 4, and we modified it a little bit. But this was our decision matrix. And so here were our different designs. We had we were gonna do like block and tackle with a compound gear, and a incline plane, but we started off with this one, and then we found out that it was too heavy, so we kind of scrapped that idea, and we went over to design 4, and we found out that we got it done, and the compound gears, there was too much mechanical advantage, wasn't lifting the weight up high enough, fast enough, so then we modified it a little bit. We only used 2 gears, we used less gears, and we used a wheel and axle as well, so that got us to where we needed to be. And then here.
Yeah, this is our IMA's efficiency. Our pulley had 2 strands, making it an IMA of 2. Our gear ratio, we had 84 teeth over 36 teeth. Our wheel and axle was 1.5 inches over 75. And then the total IMA was 9.32. The AMA was 5.61, exceeding the 3 AMA minimum, making it a total efficiency of 60.2%.
It's pretty efficient.
So here was our wheel and axle. So the effort wheel is bigger than the resistance wheel, so there's more mechanical advantage there. And then there's the measurements right there, so 9.2. And then the gears, this is our output gear, 84. We did the output over input, so 84 over 36, and that was 9.2.3. And we did smaller to do bigger to increase our torque. And then for the pulley, we had 2 strings, so that's 9.2.
Good job on
That's
those
the
pictures.
video of the lifter upper.
Kind of a long video.
Yeah, it's kind of long. I started off slow.
But we lifted it up pretty high, so.
It's pretty smooth, can't even hear it.
Yeah. Alright, and then do this now. Remington, you want to do yours?
Yeah, I'll do it.
Wait, let me see.
Oh, shoot. Yeah.
That's all right, I can see it. That's good.
Alright.
All right, nice job.
Just let it go.